What if I told you one single video could work for you 24/7 across every platform and turn strangers into leads without having to create more content? Hi, I'm Coach Gary, and today I'm breaking down the video content lifecycle. This is the same process I use for myself and my clients to take one long-form video, repurpose it into multiple short-form clips, and create a customer journey that ends in real lead capture. By the end of this video, you'll know exact steps to go from recording to repurposing to converting, plus my top tips, biggest mistakes to avoid, and practical lists you can follow right away. So let's jump in. My top tip for building a content system that actually works: start with long-form content on YouTube. Why? Because long content is your content anchor. Give real value and keep people's attention long enough to create trust. Here's the key though. Inside your long form video, you must verbally mention your call to action and then put that link in your video description. Don't just hope people find it, direct them. When you start with long form, everything else becomes easier because now you have a central, high value piece to chop into short clips and distribute everywhere. Now, the top mistake I see. The biggest mistake I see with short form content is that people post clips that never point back to anything bigger. It's that simple. Short form is really great for discovery. Think TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts. But if there's no clear link back to your long form, then you're leaving money on the table. The fix is simple though. In short form, put your call to action inside the video and as the first pinned comment. That way, viewers can take the next step in your customer journey, moving from quick content to your deeper, more educational videos, and push them from education into action, what we call edu-action. Now, here's 3 ways that you can repurpose long form into short form. These are 3 simple ways to turn one long form video into multiple short form pieces. Number 1, use a tool like Opus Clip to instantly create AI-powered clips with captions and jump cuts. Number 2, find your most passionate or emotional moments, the points where your energy spikes, and cut those as highlight reels. And number 3, create teaser cuts that end with an open loop, meaning the viewer has to click to your long form video to get the full answer. So if you follow these 3 methods, and one YouTube video now becomes 5 to 10 short form videos. We've got our long form. We know we're going to move it to short form. We're going to push people forward. But how do we hook from short form viewers in 3 seconds? Well, my top tip for short form success is to nail your first 3 seconds. If you don't hook someone immediately, they scroll away. Use one of these 3 openers. Curiosity. What if I told you one mistake is costing you thousands in sales? Pretty good, right? Conflict. Stop wasting time posting random content. Right? Put them at odds with something. And then a bold claim is another great way. One video can replace 10 marketing campaigns. Right? A bold claim. One video versus 10 campaigns. What these hooks all do is they get people to stop, watch, and then take action. One of the top mistakes I see with short form video is that there's not a call to action. So this second biggest mistake in not having a clear call to action means that you've wasted traffic. But here's how you fix it. In long form, put your call to action in the video description and mention it verbally. Go to this link, see link in the description, to book this call. Call our office, so on and so forth. Now in short form, place it inside the video itself or as a pinned comment. Follow for more. See the pinned comment for our long form explanation for the full length video, and make it specific. Instead of check my bio, say DM me the word grow, and I'll send you a free resource. DM me, I want more, right? Be very specific. Your audience wants that direction, so just give it to them. Now, the other thing we can use then is we can turn our video views into leads with a numbered list, right? So in this instance, we've got 3 methods, 3 top tools to convert video views into real leads. So number 1, forms. Offer a free guide or a resource in exchange for name, phone, and email. That's why you see ebooks be so popular. Number 2, newsletter opt-ins. Give people a reason to stay connected and receive weekly value. Could be bi-weekly or monthly as well. And number 3, direct scheduling links. Like the one I use with M-Suite that lets people instantly book a call, the more friction you remove, the more leads you'll capture. My next top tip is on recycling short form content and why that's so important. So staying consistent without burning out is to recycle your short form content. Not every viewer sees every post, so reposting is a great clips for weeks or months later puts them in front of new eyes. No one's going to notice that you reused it. Plus, on most platforms, they reward consistency. So keep feeding them content without doubling your workload. This is how you scale your reach without increasing your burnout. Now, a mistake that I see, and what I like to call why most people burn out in content creation, is I see people starting from scratch every single time they create content. It's exhausting, and it's why most people quit. Instead, follow the creation journey. Start with long form. Move to recycling that with short form. Then recycle your short form and repeat. When you combine that with a scheduling tool for social media, much like M-Suite powered by Mickey Growth, you can post everywhere without spending hours every day or even every week to get it done. So your next step to seamless content creation, I want to start with a recap. So let's recap. Start with long form, slice it into short form. Guide your viewers with clear calls to action and capture leads through forms, opt-ins, or direct booking links. If you want to stop guessing what to post and start running a seamless, multi-platform content system that turns views into real appointments, let's talk. Schedule your consultation now. See how M-Suite can help you create, schedule, and manage your content across the most impactful social platforms. Links in the description below. And remember, your message matters. Let's make sure it's seen everywhere, every day by the right